Not even a single day passes when we haven't seen or used an object made of plastic. It has taken so much prominence in our lives due to a number of its properties which make it convenient to use. It is used as parts in airplanes, spacecrafts and cars due to its lightweight and strength. These are extensively used in the healthcare industry for packaging of tablets, as threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments. Have you ever noticed the frying pan for cooking dosa? You would have seen a black coating on it. It is of Teflon, which is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. Thus, it is used as non-stick coating on cookware. You would be amazed to know that there are also fireproof plastics. Yes, the uniforms of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant.